In this video tutorial, we are going to walk through how to import employees in bulk into the SubItUp system. To do this, you'll need to go over to the left-hand side of your screen and hit the staff page. And to start, you'll want to load whichever position it is that you want to add these employees to. Now, a lot of people have an all staff position. So if you are loading all employees that are across multiple positions into an all staff position, you'll want to make sure that's loaded here in the white bar in the middle of the screen. Next, you'll hit the green plus button over on the right-hand side and choose the Import Employees option. When this comes up, you'll be able to select a file if you have a file already existing that has been configured for our SubItUp template. If you don't have that template, you'll want to click Get a Template and it will automatically download to your system, and you can start importing and getting your employees into that template the way that they need to be formatted. This is what this template looks like. You'll see there's a lot of different options for different information that you can include on this template. The only required fields here are first name, last name, and email address. Those three must be entered in order for the employee to be created. If you have this in another Excel spreadsheet or CSV somewhere, you can copy over that information and put it right into these columns. If you'd like to add in an address, city, state, zip, their phone numbers, if you have a scan value for them, which is basically a value that they'll be typing in order to clock in and clock out of their shifts, you can put that in. Lots of options for employee numbers, date of birth. You can even put in their hourly rate if you would like for this position that you were uploading them for. And then when this wage starts and then what position it actually is that you'll be uploading them into. Once you have this configured, you'll go ahead and select an existing file, and you'll be able to select the file from your computer to upload into the system. Once you select this, it'll ask you if the first row, if you kept that header, the header row that says first, last, email, or if you deleted that and the first row is the first employee, you'll be able to select that as well. So from the template, most people just go ahead and have the first row as the header. So I'll say this is the header row. And then you'll need to say, what position am I adding all these staff into? You'll see a list of your positions here. If you have an all staff position, you can add them there. Or if these are going into a specific position within your SubItUp account, you can go ahead and choose that. Lastly, you'll want to check everything, make sure everything is good to go. You'll see the different fields. So if there's, for whatever reason, a field that is down listed here that is not the same as what's listed in the top here, you can go ahead and make any changes that you need to. If you need to edit any information at all, you will be able to do that as well. For example, if you need to edit the email, you can hit that right there. Edit anything at all in here, you just click and you'll be able to edit what that is. After you've checked everything out, it's good to go. You'll just select Begin Import. And again, it's going to confirm one last time for you to make sure that all this information is correct, especially first name, last name, and email address. If you'd like to use random passwords, which is what it's going to do automatically, you can do that. Or if you want to send a welcome email to these folks so that they know that they've been added to SubItUp and to be instructed to reset their passwords, you can select this box as well, and then we'll hit import. So at this point, these employees have been added, but if there's any errors in the system that have come up, it will alert you to that. So once you hover over it, you'll see exactly what these errors are. For this one, this person was an archive person already, so when I added them back in, they had a wage already tied to their account, so that wasn't updated. So it will give you the reason for any error that occurs if anything could not be uploaded. At this point, you can either import another CSV if you have it, or you can view the staff. And there they are. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. You can email us at support@subitup.com, or you can give us a call at 617-401-8733. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much.